Yeah, with this, you go shopping once a week. You learn how to prep it. Beans and our grains, we just cook them once, and then they're good for the next 6-7 days. The leafy greens, we just buy once a week.
Yeah, I feel leaner, man.
All right, guys, so here we are at the end of week number 6.
Number 6 already. God.
Number 6 already. It's a beautiful day out here, just sitting in the backyard with the dogs. This week, Jeff is going 6 days on the bib lifestyle. You've already done the 3. We've got 3 more for you. Jeff was calling me early this morning saying, Jamie, where are you at? I need some food.
It's true. It's all very true. You get, you come to realize when you open up a refrigerator, if you don't have the proper food, you're feeling like, oh, I don't want to eat this or that, and nothing else looks really appealing. So my diet has been pretty much this. And as I said, I also really love tuna poke.
Mm-hmm.
So I have amended sometimes, just a little bit. I've added a little poke because there's 0 calories really in it, and it's pure protein, and it's not processed, and it's raw as well.
Yeah.
So
that's the pescatarian lifestyle. When you add fish to this type of lifestyle, you know, basically, yes, I don't like to say it, but we're eating a vegan raw lifestyle on the bib lifestyle because it's all about those nutrients, as we said before. And then adding the fish is called pescatarian for those of you out there that don't know. But make sure you hit that like button, share this with your friends and family.
And I should say, it was my goldfish that I ate. So
your goldfish?
He was getting old anyway, so I really didn't, you know, it was the natural life cycle.
He was swimming a little slower.
He was, and he swam very slow in my mouth. But yeah.
So Jeff, what are some of the new changes that you're seeing or feeling?
That was a lie, by the way. Not funny.
I know that. We know that was a lie. He didn't eat Nemo.
You really didn't know that, though. I may have.
Oh, yeah.
As far as you know, no. It wasn't my goldfish. But anyways, yes, back to what we were talking about.
How are you feeling? How are you feeling? Are you noticing, you say you're noticing some differences, you're feeling some different things. You said this morning, you know, I'm looking better, I'm feeling better.
Yeah, I feel leaner, man. I was just at a Super Bowl party, and this one guy came up. He's like, "Dude, what are you doing?" Like, and he goes, "You look so different. You look younger." My accountant didn't even recognize me. No joke. Had to do with the beard a little bit though, but
yeah,
it's definitely a different vibe and a different energy, and I feel clearer. Yeah, I definitely feel better, but I also feel leaner. Like even just right now, I haven't really been working out, but I just feel leaner.
Nice. You're getting more definition in your body. You're killing off a lot of those unhealthy cells inside the body. Don't mind the helicopter flying by, but that's what's happening. A lot of the unhealthy cells, which can be excess fat, can be disease. That's what this stuff kills off, and we just rebuild new healthy cells. And that's what's happening to Jeff from the inside out. That's what it's about with the bib lifestyle. Working from the inside out. So these next 2 weeks, we're gonna go 6 days a week with you as well.
Okay.
Have you thought about this when it's all over, where your head's at and what you're gonna do in that situation?
Well, we're gonna go shopping.
Yes.
And we're going to show me how to do all this because as much as it looks pretty easy, I'm sure there's a lot of prep that goes into this, but not so much as, you know, having to go out to the market for anything else. So I'm looking forward to learning how to do all this. I'm sure it looks simple. It's easy to eat, but I'm sure there's a lot of prep that goes into it, right?
There is. You know, it's relatively easy. It just takes up a little bit of your time. I know we were supposed to go do that shopping this week for this episode, the previous one, but you know, life has its obstacles and Jeff was busy. So here we are, we're only able to get this one episode for this week, but we did make plans this Sunday that we're gonna go to the farmer's market and we're gonna show Jeff, you know, what to pick, how much to pick, and then we're gonna go back and prep it. So hopefully that all works out this Sunday for you guys to watch out there. So you wanna stay tuned for that and see.
I should probably add, the way I was looking at this whole thing was, you know, everybody complains about OEV, electric vehicle compared to a gas vehicle. Mm-hmm. Oh, you've got to charge it and this and that. We've got to go and like, for example, with this, with a regular car, you've got to go and sit in those lines for gas. You've got to go find a gas station, this and that. Over here, You go once, you get all your stuff, and you just chop, chop, chop. You make it for yourself. It's almost like having an EV, which to me would be easier. Just to make an analogy, I was trying to think about the whole thing.
That's a great analogy. You
don't have to go wait in line for gas every day. You know?
Yeah, and a lot of times people, they go shopping 2 or 3 times a week because they only want to get 1 meal or 2 meals at a time, and then they don't eat things and they waste them, or they go out and spend a lot of money at different restaurants each and every night. Yeah, with this, you go shopping once a week. You learn how to prep it. Our beans and our grains, we just cook them once, and then they're good for the next 6, 7 days in the refrigerator as long as you store them properly. The leafy greens, we just buy once a week. We take half of everything we buy, we chop it up. The rest of it, we store in one of these great containers. And that's why I love these containers.
The dog loves them too.
The dog loves them too. Yes, he does. He's been getting a few bites. He wants
Can
his
we get
salad.
our video editor to, yeah, he loves these.
Yeah.
He loves these, chomping on these, but yeah. Absolutely.
These containers keep everything in. It's like its own humidifier, its own environment right there. They're very sealed very well, and
they're great. They're strong.
They're very durable. Yeah, very strong. As you can see, the dog wasn't able to destroy it in just one bite, and he has got one hell of a jaw.
He does.
Yeah.
That dog.
Yeah, yep. Sitting down here, relaxed, going through some new training processes with the new dog trainer.
True.
But so here we are. Jeff, I want to thank you for letting me be over here with you. It's a great view you have. The dogs are loving it. We're loving it. This is a short episode. We just wanted to share a little bit of this great information with all of you guys out there, and look forward to the next 2 weeks. This Sunday, we're going to be doing that food prepping.
Looking forward to that.
With Jeff, food shopping and prepping. And then the final results at the end of 8 weeks. That's what it's all about. Seeing that big transformation from the first picture to the last. And that's where you really get a great idea of what exactly happened in this short amount of time of 8 weeks.
And then we go for lipo. And then that's pretty much it, right?
And that's it. We get those last few pounds with the lipo. Boom.
Joke.
Well, guys, thanks for tuning in. It's another great episode here with the Bib Lifestyle. It's a beautiful day. I hope you guys are out there enjoying your day as much as we are.
And what do we say, Jamie?
Be your best body.